Hey friends! So in today's video, I've partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you their brand new winter box. And it's a really good one, you guys. So I'm super excited to share everything with you. If you are new to my channel, then you may not know that Fabfitfun is one of my absolute favorite subscription services. It is a seasonal box, which means it comes out 4 times a year. And they always send you lots of full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. Each box is $49.99, but the retail value is over $200 each season. So an amazing value, a really great Christmas gift idea, especially since you get to customize some of the items in the box now, so you can be sure that you're getting items that you love. So be sure to sign up now. I do have a $10 off your first box coupon code down in the description box, so check that out if you're going to be ordering. And I'm excited to share with you guys what I got in my winter box. So let's dig in. So of course you get your Fabfitfun magazine with lots of amazing articles, and it also has really helpful information about some of the products in the box. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the product information page so that I can tell you the retail value of each of the products. So first up, a $30 gift card from Sterling Forever plus free sterling silver studs. Oh my gosh, that's a tongue twister. Sterling silver studs. Okay. I've actually ordered from this website before, and they have really nice jewelry, so I'm excited to see that. And let's see what other goodies we have in here. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited about this one. So for my first customizable option in the winter box, I chose this faux fur throw from Unhide, and this is their Lil Marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it really does feel like a little marshmallow. I'm just gonna rip it open, you guys. I'm way too excited. This feels like Christmas morning. So let me just open it up. Oh my word, y'all. This is such a nice blanket. Okay, so the Unhide Little Marshmallow retails for $65. And you guys, I cannot believe how big this thing is. Let me back up. So you can see it is a cream colored faux fur throw, and it does have the really fuzzy faux fur on one side, and then the other side is this really nice kind of like satiny fleece material. So let me show you guys. Holy moly. All right, look how big. It's huge. Oh my gosh. It's literally huge. You can completely wrap up in this thing. Like, this is a really good size throw blanket. Incredibly soft. Like, it almost feels slippery. It's so soft. Super cozy. Amazing quality. I love that it feels like double layered. And it retails for $65, you guys. So you've already paid for your entire box with this one item. Totally worth it. So PSA, for the rest of the winter, you can find me curled up on the couch in my Unhide Little Marshmallow blanket. Okay, so enough about the blanket, even though I could go on about the blanket for probably another 30 minutes. It's that good. So next is from Veramona. This is their Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. So this is cool because no liquid cleaner is needed. You literally just glide your makeup brush against the Color Switch sponge in a circular motion, and it gets rid of all the makeup. So super convenient, really easy. Love products like this. So let me open it up and share it with you guys really quickly. This retails for $16.99. So as you can see, it's just kind of like a spongy material in there. You literally just swipe your brush, color is gone. So if you're doing an eye look with different colors, you could literally just between colors clean your brush off real quick and keep applying. You don't have to wait for your brush to dry, which is so cool. Comes in this little purple tin so you can put the cap on. Great for travel. Love that. I can't wait to use that. So next in the winter box, another product that I customized. I have already been using this and love it. It is from Beauty Bakery, and it is their Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. So cute. I was really excited when I saw that one of the customizable options was this eyeshadow palette, because I had been wanting to try Beauty Bakery for so long. A lot of the bigger vloggers had been raving about it, so I was super excited. Really cute little palette. Look, it's got little banana pudding. And it does come with 9 different eyeshadow shades, a good mix of matte and metallics, and this palette retails for $38. So you can see there, these are incredibly pigmented. I've already been playing around with them. You can see the metallics right there. So pretty. warm cocoa. Just look how nice they are. Super nice, warm, neutral colors. Definitely my kind of shades. I always love these nice, warm neutrals. Perfect for fall and winter. Fabfitfun is killing it. Love this palette. So next up is from Nails Inc. London. This is their Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Masks. And these retail for $16. And these gloves feature a blend of extracts from plants, shea butter, and vitamin E to instantly smooth hands. And don't even look, like my hands literally look like an 80-year-old because I use so much hand sanitizer and I've been washing my hands like crazy. Our 4-year-old just started preschool this year and literally I think he has been sick every single week since we started. Like the same cold is just circulating through the house over and over again. So we've pretty much been sick for 3 months. So my hands are just like shot. They're done. They're just dried up and crispy. So I definitely was excited about these Thirsty Hand gloves. And they have a cute little palm leaf print on them. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable those are, y'all. So I cannot wait to use those. They're gonna be great for winter. Okay, can you all believe there's still more stuff in here? So next is a spray from Drybar, and if you've never been to Drybar, it is amazing, and their products are really super good. So this is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It's going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees. So it's really going to protect your hair against any heat damage, which I tend actually to do my hair more in the wintertime. I don't like to go out with wet hair, so I'm blow drying, I'm curling. So you definitely want to have a heat protectant, and I love that as an added bonus, it has a detangler. So this detangler retails for $23. It includes biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil. So it's going to condition and protect, and it smells really good. It almost has like a cinnamony smell, so it smells like Christmas to me. Perfect product for winter. Absolutely love it. Really excited about that being in the winter box. Literally, I've loved everything so far. This is a really, really good box, guys. So next up is from Lashes MD, and this is their eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. And this has amino acids, peptides, and vitamins to condition your lashes and your eyebrows. And I definitely wanted this one because my poor little eyelashes, they just need a little bit of oomph. And I also used to be one of those over pluckers, so I really have to pencil my eyebrows in. So I'm trying to grow them out because big brows are so in. So definitely excited about this eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. This little baby retails for $69.95 alone. Oh my gosh. So this is a very high-end product. Really excited to try it out. Hopefully it'll give me big long lashes and bushy eyebrows because that's what I want. I never thought I would be saying I wanted bushy eyebrows. Like if you would have told me that 10 years ago, I would have been like, what? Another high-end, really exciting product in the winter box is from Rodile. This is their Soft Focus Glow Drops. They retail for $55, and these are going to brighten up your complexion and provide a radiant base for your makeup. So these are basically illuminating primer drops. Such a pretty bottle. It is glass. The drops are like this iridescent pink. Ooh, so cool. Rodile has amazing products. So, oh my gosh, super moisturizing. There's no glitter whatsoever. It's just going to give you like this dewy, beautiful glow. So amazing. It dries down to a satin finish. I think it would be perfect for both more mature skin and younger skin. So great for everybody. Definitely gives you that illuminated, pretty look for winter. So absolutely love those. And then the last item in the winter box is this really cute original pink makeup eraser. And it says that it is antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and saves money. So this is going to erase all of your makeup with just water. So there is a polyester cloth in here. And I guess you just get it wet and then you can wipe all of your makeup off. So it says, bye-bye makeup wipes forever. And it looks like the coziest little facial towel ever. Oh my gosh. It's so furry. It's like a fuzzy, soft, plushy, pink little towel. Recently, I actually was using makeup remover wipes, and one of the brands that I purchased broke my entire face out. Like I'm talking little bumps all over my entire face. So now I'm scared completely to use makeup remover wipes. So I am so excited to try this out. This looks really nice. soft, not gonna tear your face up, probably not gonna cause an allergic reaction like I just had. So this retails for $20. Perfect for winter because you can just use warm water and then just remove your makeup really easily. So very excited about this original makeup eraser. And that is absolutely everything that is in my winter box, you guys. So impressed with this season's box. I absolutely loved everything in it. I love that there's the option to customize now because then I'm getting products that I know I'm gonna love. An amazing value. Like these were some really high-end products in this season's box. I'm always impressed with Fabfitfun. So I definitely recommend checking them out. Be sure to use my $10 off coupon code down below if you order. Again, a really great idea for your loved ones for Christmas. If you don't know what to get your sister or your friend or even your grandma, this is a really great option. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite product in the winter box was. And until next time, guys, bye.